Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you what is Swipefy for Spotify. So let's get started. So my explanation will be very easy. You can watch till end. So let's get started. So here the Swipefy is the music discovery app that uses a swapping mechanism that helps the user to discover the new music, and the user can swipe left on the song they didn't like it and swipe right for the song they like it. The app users this data create a personalized playlist for the users. So this is the Shopify app and this is it. Okay. So hope you understand, and if you have any question you can leave me a comment, and thank you for watching. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video also.